Okay, this is the Spyderco Jester that I started on before, and I have finished it up. I finished it with an 8K Shapton glass stone. Bevel looks pretty good. You can still see some scratches if you look close, but to the naked eye it's a nice looking edge. I'm going to finish touching it up on a Spyderco ultra fine grit stone. I do like these a lot. One thing I like is they don't require any water or anything like that. You just pull them out, use them real quick, and put them away. And more importantly, they really do a good job. They put a nice clean edge on the blade. They feel good. And they're easy to clean. You don't ever have to flatten them. They stay flat. And right now what I'm doing, I'm working on the apex. I'm not worried about the bevel anymore. I'm just trying to get the edge nice and crisp. Okay, now a few very, very light strokes, as light as I can manage. The only way when I'm finishing up an edge, or when anybody is, as far as I know, I believe that the only way you can use too light or not enough pressure for the last few strokes is if you're actually not touching the stone at all. Once contact is made, no matter how light the pressure is, within reason, it's good. Very, very light. I mean, you actually don't feel like you're doing anything to the edge. Okay, let's see how it's going to cut. Yeah, it's going to do good. So, alright, on this knife the edge angle is nice and low. I did screw up a little bit. I'll show you. You can see that the bevel is wider right there. That doesn't make me happy, but it happened. Can't go back in time, can't put the steel back. And it's very sharp, and I'm happy with it. So that's it for this one. Take care. Bye-bye.